Video 848, BFJ 148, let's get into the code review. So in the KEYALT section, we have some monkey wrench macros for some misspellings of functions, and then we have this new function called function KEYALT, event key to A26. A26 is a value 0 to 25 inclusive, representing A through Z. So we're going to take the input keyboard event, and we're going to figure out if it's A through Z, and if it is, we're going to return 0 through 25 inclusive. Okay, so here's our output A through Z set to a negative value, negative representing false in the case for this function. Okay, the key string here, the ASCII value of the key that was pressed, and whether or not we even have a key that represents A through Z being pressed. Okay, so if the key is non-null, we're going to use string.prototype to uppercase.call to uppercase the key and store it in key string. Then if the length of that string is not equal to 1, we're not going to do anything, because it can't be A through Z if it's more than one character long, right? Because A through Z, they're each one character, right? So if it is exactly one character, it could be A through Z. So we're going to do keystring.charCode at 0 to get the ASCII value, and we're going to store the ASCII value in key ask. If it's between 65 and 90 inclusive, then it's A through Z capital, and we're going to say, yes, we do have A through Z ASCII key. If we end up here, we really fucked the fuck up. Okay, so now if we do have a ASCII key, we're going to take key ask, we're going to subtract 65 to 0 it out, so that is going to be within the range 0 to 25 inclusive, for a total of 26 values. If we do not have an ASCII key, then we're going to return negative for false, and then here's where we're returning the output ASCII value in the range 0 to 25 inclusive. We're going to use this function, right? This function right here, we're going to use we're going to use it down here, but we'll do that in a different video. Okay, we're running out of time. So here's what we did in the previous video. Here's our change log for this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You have been here. Technical demos are here. Tech demos are here. And then source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. Like and subscribe and follow.